Welcome to MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a 2023 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. As you'll see in the photos, the boat has the red hull sides. It's going to come with a tandem axle galvanized trailer. We've upgraded the power on this motor to the Mercury 200 4-stroke. You have the C-deck matting across the swim platform and under the walk-through. Great feature about the 210 SPX, you get this nice flip-up transom seat. And then you also get a ton of storage underneath this sun pad. As you step down into the boat, you'll notice it has the blue LED lighting package. L-shaped seating here in the cockpit. You do have storage underneath the aft bench seat, and that has a drain built in. Designated cooler storage here on the starboard side. It's outfitted with the dual captain chair configuration. Infinity woven carpet liner in the floor. I'm standing on a nice big ski locker here. At the helm, it has the 9-inch digital display. It's going to give you your GPS, depth finder, engine functions all done digitally there. Your fusion head units here at the helm. You do have a flip-up thigh rise at each chair, and the helm seat is on a slider and a tilt wheel for comfort. The Mercury 200 is digital throttle and shift. As we make our way up into the bow of the boat, you have two nice full-length loungers. You have the upgraded upholstery package, which gives you this nice inlay around the speakers and grab handles. Full wraparound bolster in the bow of the boat. You do have a designated anchor locker. And that's just a real quick look at the 210 SPX Outboard here in Wrightsville Beach. This boat's available. If you'd like to come and see it in person, give us a call at 910-256-8100.